Joining us now from the CME Group is Trading Advantage President Larry Levin. Let's talk gold, please, Larry. What do you say?
Hey, Stuart. Gold, is that what you asked?
Yeah, gold, yeah. I mean, I sit at $1,200 an ounce. In my opinion, there's loads of reasons to be getting into gold at $1,200 with all that's going on in the world. What say you?
Well, I think that you're probably right about that. I think that a lot of people will be buying gold if the stock market keeps the drop that we saw yesterday and over the last week or so. But if that doesn't happen, I think you'll see gold fall off the $1,200 level. Certainly, that's a level a lot of people are watching, but I think you'll run out of buyers if the stock market, picks up the rally where it left off. I don't really think that's going to happen. I do think that the stock market will keep dropping, and in turn, that would push gold a little bit higher. But these are obviously the highs. It's pretty heavy. A professional trader like me, I'm not a big fan of buying the top.
All right, I want to talk to you about that big trade yesterday that was clearly an error trade. There's all kinds of talk about manipulation. You're not going to give us a conspiracy theory here, are you, Larry?
Well, I mean, that kind of stuff that we saw yesterday happens because, Goldman Sachs and companies like that, they're doing computerized trading. The regulation is fairly laxed. A lot of these big trading firms do not have limits on them, and they don't need limits when the markets are acting orderly. But when we get something like happened yesterday in that trade error, whether it was Citigroup trading Procter & Gamble or something else here in the CME, although the CME has already stated that they didn't have an issue here, those kind of things can exasperate things quite a bit, and you saw that yesterday. The rally off that drop was almost more violent than the drop itself.
Look, you're a professional trader. Do you have confidence in the way the market works at this moment?
I have confidence in the way I'll react to what the market's doing, but I'll be honest, there's an awful lot of trading platforms, people trading electronically from their homes, even from this trading floor, that went down or was not keeping up with where the market was at the time. And so that's a difficult situation, and the more computerized trading becomes, the more those things are going to happen. People have to deal with those, but that's the reality of it.
All right, it's a fair point. Larry Levin, thanks very much for joining us. Let me show you the big board. We're back. We've got volatility here.